welcome back to my channel. It's me, Glambykiki, and today what I have for you guys is this look that I have right here for you guys. Get into this look, get into it, just because I love Boxycharm and I love Coachella, even though I've never been to one, but I just love the makeup looks that are created and outfits and all that jazz. I decided to combine the monthly Boxycharm as well as create a festival Coachella look like this for you guys. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before that, make sure you are subscribed. Link is in the description. Click that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you are liking these, and I'll see you in this video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what I got in the Boxycharm subscription this month, and here it is. It comes with a total of 5 products. This month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. So it gives a breakdown on the card of what we received in the box, and it is the PUR Complexion Festival Palette, this one right over here, which I'll be using on my eyes today to create a nice festival Coachella vibe look. And then this is the back of it, and then we have the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set, which is super cute. So it's a mixture of face and eyes. And then we have the Artistcouture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream, which is one of their newest highlighters because it's Purple Dream and if I'm not mistaken, Summer Haze. So this is how it looks. I'll be wearing this as well today in this Coachella look that I'll be creating for you guys. And then we have the Upheal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss. So it comes like this. It's a nice little iridescent, like it shifts colors, so like it looks gold, pink, and green, and yellow. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put this on as well. Last but not least, we have the Bodyography eye pencil in the shade Bali Bronze. I can't wait to use this as well. It's like this, a sharpened little pencil, and like that. I can't wait to use this. So being that I already showed you what we got in the box, I'm gonna go ahead and create the look. I already did my eyebrows and my complexion off of camera just to save us some time, but let's get straight into this video because this is what we all are here for. The look. Start off with my eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little closer so you guys could get a closer look on how I'll be creating these. Okay, so now that I have you guys up close and personal, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the palette looks inside. And then this is the inside. It's so beautiful. Look at these beautiful colors. I love that there's different finishes in this palette, especially with glitters. We got a little bit of shimmers, we got some mattes. I'm super excited for this palette, to be using it today especially. This smells just like not coconut, it smells like chocolate as well. So what's cool about this palette is that it also we get a sample of their Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. So I will be using their eyeshadow primer today as well. Smooth consistency. Bringing it up the brow bone too, girls and guys, because eyeshadow is gonna be all through up on this. So I'm using very little because I don't want to use too much. I'm gonna go in with Epic right over here. We're gonna go ahead and put that right in the crease because I want to warm up the crease a little bit. I'm going in with a clean brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure everything is nice and seamless and blended, just so there's no way of telling where the eyeshadow began or ended. Over here, it's called Wild Child. So I'm gonna go in with that one. She's pigmented. And honestly, guys, I don't know like where I'm going with this. I'm just creating as I go, just basically going with the flow. The purple, and it's called Gypsy. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Gypsy in the outer corners and the inner corners, just to create a more of like a halo effect as well, because I love the blowout effect already with the pink. And I'm gonna go in with a more smaller detailed brush for that one. So what I'm doing is just pressing in first. I'm gonna go in with All Night right at the outer corners, like ever so slightly, and right here, just like that. And then I just want to make sure I go ahead and blend everything once again. Oh, for this gap right in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 24K Magic, which is this intense shimmery shadow right here, and I'm ecstatic for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it with my finger though, and that was just like 2 little swipes, and I'm just gonna dab it right in the center. Just going in just like that, and I want to go in with a little bit more, just like that. So I'm gonna be taking my Lily lashes in the style Miami's, which is my all-time favorite. I have these pearls and diamonds in here that I want to go ahead and like put across my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my pearls. Okay, so change of plans. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a pearl on each corner, on the outer corner and the inner corner, just because the little ones are giving me a little bit of a hard time. So let's go ahead and do that. Skin where I want it. Right there. So put my lash on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and come right back to you so you guys can see the completed look. I am back. So I decided to add one more pearl right above my crease, just to add a little bit more of because it looked kind of empty without it. So I figured this will look super cute, and I did throw on my Miami lashes from Lily Lashes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and take the Artistcouture Purple Dream, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corners right in the inner corner, the way it's coming out. We're gonna move on to face. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys out a little bit just so you guys can see my big old face. We're gonna go ahead and use the Luxie small contouring brush, which is this one right over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my all-time fave Huda bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and start sculpting the face. I like how detailed and defined it is, so it gives you that nice chiseled look. Luxie large shader brush, and I'm gonna actually use this one for my nose contour to snatch this nose. So I'm taking the same Huda bronzer, and I'm just gonna go in right down the sides of my nose. Go in with my favorite blush, which is from MAC. I'm gonna go in to Purple Dream. I keep on forgetting the name. Purple Dream, and I am gonna go in and highlight the face. So a little right over here. Ooh. This is really pretty. Let me know in the comments down below what is your thoughts on this look so far. What is your favorite product that I'm using? This is done. We're gonna go on straight to the lips. Lip liner, which is Spice Girl from Huda Beauty. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips lightly, not too crazy, because we are gonna be using this lip gloss. Now we're gonna go in with Appeals holographic lip gloss. I can't wait to put this on. I'm so excited. Okay, so it comes like with a normal doe foot applicator. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, but before I finish, let me go ahead and set this face, well, at least hydrate her just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which I love all so much. This side and this side. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's look featuring Boxycharm. Let me know in the comments down below if you like more looks like this. This is a Coachella vibe festival look, so let me know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like these videos. It definitely helps me so much because it lets me know that you are liking these videos, and it helps me bring out more content like this. Make sure to subscribe so you can join the GLAMFAM. We're already at 1,000 GLAMFAM members. How wonderful is that? I just want to take the time out and say thank you to each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys super duper much, and stay tuned also for a giveaway. I told you guys once I hit 1K, I am doing a giveaway for you guys. Everything will be down in the link below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out.